have a national word? Yeah, it's me. I'm peacock. Peacock, peacock. I'm symbol of beauty, grace, and pride of India. I am blue and green in color. I have a beautiful feather. I am very beautiful bird. I have a long neck and crown on my head. I eat fruit and insects. I live in garden and forest. I love rainy season. And I